Hi guys, in this video I'll show you the complete beginner's tutorial for how to use the Bumpy dating app. So the first step is make sure to download this application from your Play Store or App Store, and once you download this application just click on it and you will be seeing this kind of interface. So wait for it until it completely loads, and from here you can just complete your sign in or sign up process. You can continue with Google or Apple or with Gmail. So for me, let's say I continue it with my Google account, and let's just continue it. And once you continue with Google, just click on continue and it will load. So wait for it, and from here you can just write down your name, and once you write down your name just click on next and choose your date of month, like whatever your date is if you want to write it. And once you write this just click on accept and choose your gender, click on next, and what are you looking for. So you can just choose your interest, like what are you looking for. Are you looking for woman or both? So for me, let's say I click on woman. And what is your goal? Like, make sure to select your goal. You find a relationship, chat and meet friends, and like you want to travel, you want to get married. So for me, let's say I want to chat and meet friends. Select this option, click on next, and from here, like your interest, make sure to select your interest as the people with similar interests get matched. So from here you can just choose your interest. Let's say you want to choose poetry, and from here you can just choose the bodybuilding, and your like whatever your sports are, your music interest, like you can choose this music and whatever your favorite music is. And from here scroll down and choose the pets, like you can choose, let's say, cats and dogs. And going out, like what do you like, make sure to like this one, or like what is your choice. And food and drink, so these are basically all my choice. And if you want to add it on your own choice, so you can select your own interest. And from here you can just select the options, and after that you can just skip as well. So just click on save, and you can just add your photo, and make sure to add your photo, or you can just select the photo from your gallery as well. And from here just click on select a photo and just choose your picture from gallery, or you want to like add the real picture. So this is a random picture, so you can just click on add and click on save and add it, and then just click on next, and it will load. So keep it loading, wait for it until it completely loads. And from here you can just click on skip or allow. So let's allow it, and after that, as you can see, like you got hello from someone. So this process is basically simple. Like people will contact you, you can just check whoever liked you, and you can open the chats and the people in the map and the profile. If you want to set your profile, you can set it, so that is your choice. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use this Bumpy dating app.